Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the virtual lab. A virtual lab is an interactive environment for creating and conducting simulated experiments from remote position. And today we will perform verification of Ohm's law in virtual lab platform. It will be a very interesting session, I think. So watch till the end, and if you are new in this channel, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, we will go to my desktop screen and then I shall explain the procedure step by step. So here is my Google Chrome, and first you have to write virtual lab in Google search engine. Then you will get first www.vlab.co.in, and you have to click this one. You have to click this one. Okay. Then after clicking this, you will get various branches, and you have to click electronics and communication engineering branches. Then click on the basic electronics lab. Then click on list of experiment. Then you have to click on Ohm's law. Here you can see the total theory of that experiment. You can write it down for your laboratory notebook. Then next tab is procedure. You can see the procedure, how we can perform a laboratory in virtual lab platform. Details procedures are there. Then a simulation tab is there. From this simulation tab we can easily perform the lab. Verification of Ohm's law. First we will click Ohm's law. After clicking this, you will get a circuit. Ready-made circuit is there, but you can vary the voltage and the resistance value by the slider. Just write to the circuit. Let's set resistance value at 1 kilo ohm and voltage value as 10 volt. Okay. Then click add to table. You will get experimental data in your experimental table column. One experimental data is there. Then again vary the voltage at 15 volt. Then again add to table. Then vary the voltage as 20 volt. 20 volt DC supply. Then add to table. Again we have to vary the voltage to 25 volt. Again add to table. 30 volt. Again add to table. So we have our 5 data for the first experiment. Then you have to click to the plot button, and you can see the voltage versus current curve. Y-axis, along y-axis we have plotted voltage, and along x-axis we have plotted the current. The curve is linear, that means the current is directly proportional to the voltage across the resistance, which actually Ohm's law says. That means it verifies the Ohm's law from the circuit. It actually verifies the Ohm's law from the circuit. Here is the plot, voltage versus current for the circuit. You can print the graph for your laboratory notebook. You can save as PDF, and then you can take printout of this curve. So here is the experiment for the simple circuit with a voltage source and a resistance to verify the Ohm's law. Then you have to go to the next tab, which is Ohm's law draw circuit. That means, let's see what is there. That means a circuit is there, but this circuit is not connected actually. You have to connect to the circuit, then only you can perform the lab. So to connect the circuit, we will connect in this manner. You can connect this manner to complete the circuit. After connecting the circuit, you can check the connection whether it is correct or not by clicking the check connection button. You can see the right connection is there. That means the connection is right actually. Then we can perform the lab. Again we have to set the resistance value as 1 kilo ohm, say 1 kilo ohm, and the voltage value same as previous. The voltage value first we will take 10 volt, add to table, 15 volt, add to table, will take the data from the experiment, 15 volt, 20 volt, then 20 volt, 20 volt, add to table, then 25 volt, add to table, then 30 volt, add to table. So we have got the 5 experimental data. Then we can plot the graph. Again we have got the linear curve, that means the current is directly proportional to the voltage, same as the previous. You can print from this tab print button, you can take printout of this graph as well as the circuit diagram. Okay, so this is the same circuit as previous, but in here you have to connect the circuit. Okay, again next is Ohm's law for series resistance. Okay, here we can see that two resistance R1 and R2 is connected in series fashion. One voltmeter is there to calculate the voltage across the resistance, and one ammeter to calculate to measure the current. First we have to set the resistance value. R1 is 1 kilo ohm and R2 is 5 kilo ohm, we have set. Then again you have to set the voltage value as 10 volts, same as previous, add to table, 15 volt, add to table, 20 volt, add to table, 25 volt, 25 volt, add to table, 30 volt, add to table. So here is our 5 experimental data. Then plot the graph. So again we can see for series connected resistance the curve is linear, voltage versus current curve is linear. That means Ohm's law for series connection is again verified. Current is directly proportional to the voltage across the resistance. It is again verified. You can take print out from this tab. Okay, so that's it for it. Then you have to go to the draw circuit, series resistance draw circuit, same as previous. You have to connect the circuit to complete the diagram. In this way we can connect the circuit. Again you have to check the connection whether it is correct or not. Yes, it is correct. Okay, click OK. Then set resistance value R1 as 1 kilo ohm, R2 as 5 kilo ohm, voltage at 10 volt first. First reading will be our 10 volt. Add to table, 15 volt, add to table, 20 volt, add to table, 25, add to table, and last 30, add to table. So 5 data is there. Then you can plot. Again the same things happen. Linear curve is there, voltage versus current curve is linear. That means again the Ohm's law verifies. Okay, then for parallel resistance, okay, in here two resistance R1 and R2 there which is parallel connected. Set the resistance value same as previous. The procedure will be same for each and every experiment. R1 is 1 ohm, R2 is 100 kilo ohm. Voltage we can vary from 10, 15, then 21, then 25, then 30. The 5 data is there. If you plot, then again you can see the linear curve. Okay, that means the Ohm's law verifies. It verifies the Ohm's law. Okay. It verifies the Ohm's law, right? Oh, sorry, it's a okay. Again, Ohm's law resistance for draw the circuit. If you want to draw the circuit by your own, then you have to click to the draw circuit. Okay, in this way you can draw your own circuit. Then check connection, it is right. Then set R1 and R2, set resistance value, set voltage value 10 volt, 15 volt, 15, yes, 15, 20 volt. Okay, add to table. 25, add to table. Then last 30, add to table. Okay, so 5 data is there. You can plot, you can take printout from this, and you can perform this experiment very easily. Okay, so we can see that if the resistance in series, resistance in parallel, everywhere we can verify the Ohm's law. If we remain constant, other physical quantities and temperature constant, then we can easily verify the Ohm's law from this experiment, from this simple experiment. And okay, so that's it for today. If you like this experiment, if you like this video, then click the like button and subscribe this channel and share it to your friends if anyone interested to perform.